Making money playing games has become a viable revenue stream for many in the last few years. With so many different platforms to choose from and amazing games coming out, the video game industry has seen a massive increase in players. Playing video games can be a great way to unwind and might end up becoming a great way to earn some extra money. We'll go through how to make money playing games in this video and include some platforms where you can get started. Can you make money playing games? Yes, you can make money playing games. There are a few different ways to make money through gaming, including playing online games, making video game content or journalist, participating in live professional gaming events, and live streaming their gameplay. How much money can you make playing video games? The amount of money you can make playing video games will significantly vary depending on the kinds of games you play, the content you create, the platforms you use, and the amount of time you dedicate. Reports indicate that gamers can earn anywhere between $20 an hour to $200 an hour for game playing, but there is no way to establish an average. However, these earnings can be increased by participating in activities such as game tournaments, which often offer cash prizes and other incentives. Game tournaments can pay anywhere in the thousands per tournament. How to make money playing video games? There are many opportunities to make your mark in the gaming industry and earn money while you're at it. Depending on your interests and time commitments, you can find your niche in video games and earn money for pursuing an interest. We'll go through some of the top ways to make money playing video games. 1. Create a YouTube channel. Many avid game players make money in the gaming world via a YouTube channel. You can run live streams or pre-recorded videos of your gameplay for others to watch as you go through the game. You can also post video game tutorials, gameplay tutorials, reviewing games, and general gaming tips on your YouTube channel to boost your following and monetize your channel. You will earn a percentage of ad revenue when your viewers watch video or banner ads on your gaming videos. 2. Become a video game developer. If you'd rather be behind the scenes and want to be both a skilled player and a game designer, then becoming a video game developer might be the right path for you. You can work with game design companies to create a new game and become part of the video game industry as you earn money. Game developers work with a video game company to earn money, with the average salary being anywhere between $60,000 to $70,000 a year. You can browse job boards to understand what requirements are needed for a game developer, as each company will likely have different requirements. 3. Set up a video game coaching business. If you like teaching and playing games, you can combine the two interests to set up a video game coaching business. As a video game coach, your responsibilities would entail walking through gameplay tutorials, giving players tips and advice, and helping players improve as they practice for video game tournaments. You can set up your coaching business so it's a mixture of one-on-one teaching and watching videos so that clients feel engaged and motivated to play better. Video games coaches can earn anywhere between $26,000 a year to $75,000 a year depending on expertise, the game, and other factors. 4. Become a video game journalist. Another great way to explore your interest in video games is to become a video game journalist. You'll report on new releases from video game companies, play games and write reviews, report on gaming tournaments, and more. You can be a freelance video game journalist or apply to write for a video game publication. On average, most video game journalists earn between $26,000 $100 and $3,000 based on their expertise, profile, and portfolio. 5. Become a QA tester. When games are being developed, a game tester is needed before the game can be released. That means playing the game, providing feedback on the quality, the game itself, and reporting any bugs or issues you're spotting. As a quality assurance game tester, you can work with a new or upgraded game and help make it better. A video game quality assurance tester can earn about $50,000 a year on average, but it can also go to higher ranges based on experience. 6. Become a Twitch streamer. Twitch is one of the most popular gaming sites in the world, and many gamers earn real money by streaming their gameplay on the platform, and is one of the more legit money-making apps in gaming. So learning how to make money on Twitch will pay off. Twitch enables users by monetizing their live streams through ads, subscriptions, and more. Twitch can be a lucrative way to use your gaming habit to make money and gain a following for yourself. So learning how to make money on Twitch is a good way to start understanding the platform. 7. Create video game tutorials. You can create specialized video game tutorials and post them on social media platforms such as YouTube and Twitch to make additional money. You can boost your bank account while teaching others how to play new and upgraded games and impart your wisdom. You can choose to focus on a particular game and build a niche or create tutorials for many games to attract a wider audience. I hope you guys surely like and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.